everyone, today we're going to learn how to make ghee. Now ghee is made from butter that is unsalted and unsweetened, but here I'm using cream that I have collected from the top of milk. This is the cream that comes from the whole milk that I buy, and it usually comes with a reasonably thick layer of cream on top. I just scoop it out and save it in a container, and I thought I will use it today to make some ghee. So I churned up the cream with a spoon to make it a little buttery and put it in the steel pan that I'm going to make the ghee in. Ghee has been used in India traditionally for hundreds of years. In addition to cooking, ghee is also used as medicine in Ayurveda, which is centuries old medical practice of India. I'm just breaking up the cream a little bit and churning it, but you don't have to. And if you're using store-bought butter, you can just put the blocks straight into the pan and let the heat melt it. And keep the heat at the lowest possible at sim, because you don't want to burn the butter as the ghee is being made. In Ayurveda, ghee is considered to have sattvic gun, or properties filled with purity and truth. The heat is slowly going to melt all the cream or the butter, so be a little patient and let it do its job. As you can see now, at this point, all the cream is melted. Slowly, the heat is going to make all the water evaporate and separate out the clear fat from other milk solids. Now, if you notice it getting a little brown like this, you might want to put it on extra low. Now, the process is almost done, and here liquid is actually the ghee, but I'm just going to cook it a little longer to get that nutty aromatic flavor. The taste, the color, and the texture of the ghee depends on the quality of the butter or the milk that is used in making it, and also the time that is spent in simmering or boiling the ghee. I think the ghee is ready, so I'm just going to strain it out and separate out the clear fat, the beautiful golden ghee, from all the residue that's left over, and that can be thrown. Now ghee can be used for everything, and I love the taste and the smell of ghee. You can use it for cooking, for frying, because it has very high smoke point, or you can even put it on top of food and it just turns them into divine delicious meals. Now ghee is liquid in warm temperatures but tends to get semi-solid when it's a little cold, but it stays fresh for a very long time, so hopefully you're going to give it a try and enjoy this fresh homemade ghee.